Once again, welcome back. Today, we will try to improve our understanding of IFSC, SWIFT and IBAN, which are used in domestic and international money transfer. Recently, I have found some confusion about these codes among some friends. Hence, I thought there is scope for a discussion. IFSC or IFS code stands for Indian Financial System Code. This is used for identifying recipients' bank involved in electronic money transfer. SWIFT stands for Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. SWIFT is used in international fund transfer as identifier for a recipient's bank. IBAN, which stands for International Bank Account Number, is also used in international fund transfer, mostly used in fund transfer in European countries and some other countries registered in IBAN system. It would be very easy to understand these codes if we understand the construct or structure of these codes. Let's first discuss IFSC or IFS code. This is used in electronic fund transfer systems, RTGS, NEFT and IMPS in India. IFS code has 11 characters. It consists of a 4-letter bank identifier followed by the digit 0, which is reserved for future use, followed by 6-character branch code. In this example, SBIN is bank identifier followed by digit 0. SBI uses numeric codes for branches. This branch code is 822. Add 3 leading zeros to make it 6 digit. That is how this code has been constructed. There are banks which use alphabets as codes for their branches. Let's look at this example. This is the IFSC of Bank of Baroda, Koilan branch. BARB is the code for Bank of Baroda. QUILON is the code for their Kollam branch. Please note that the 5th character is digit 0. How do we find out IFSC of bank branches? IFS code is printed on bank passbooks and check leaves. Bank sites also provide information about the codes. For IFSC of any branch, you can search RBI's portal rbi.org in. This will give you authentic information. For IFSC of any bank branch, you can also search the portal ifscswiftcodes.com. This is the RBI portal. I have searched for Bank of Baroda, Koilan branch, and this is the result. Here I have searched ifscswiftcode.com for SBI Kannur branch. This is the IFS code given by the search. Now let us discuss SWIFT. SWIFT code, BIC or bank identifier code and routing code are basically the same. ISO 9362 also refers to SWIFT code. This is used in international electronic money transfer and for sending authenticated messages. The SWIFT code can be 8-character or 11-character. You can get SWIFT code of banks from their websites or from portals like ifscswiftcodes.com. Let's see a couple of SWIFT codes to understand the structuring of these codes. Here on the screen is an 8-character code. First 4 characters, BOFA, represents Bank of America. Next two characters US is the country code for USA. Next two characters 3N represents the location. 8 character code indicates that it is the primary office. Now let's see another example where 11 character code has been used. HDFC IN BB XXX. Here the first 4 characters HDFC represents HDFC Bank. Next two characters IN represents the country code India. Next two characters BB represent the location Bombay. Last 3 characters are meant for branch code. Here it is given as XXX, which indicates primary office. Let's see one more example. Here again it is an 11 character code. First 4 characters SBIN represents State Bank of India. Next 2 characters IN represents country code. Next 2 characters BB represents location Bombay. Last 3 characters 393 indicates Kannur branch. This code 393 is SWIFT specific. This is not the usual code used by the branch. Now let's discuss IBAN or International Bank Account Number. It's used in European Union and some other countries registered for IBAN. IBAN can be up to 34 characters. Includes 2 character country code, 2 character check digit, bank identifier and basic account number. Total number of characters vary based on national standards of the participating countries. IBAN is printed on your bank statements. Portals like wise.com provides IBAN related information. I said IBAN is used in European Union and some other countries. This list of countries is growing fast. You can see the list on IBAN.com. Now let's see IBAN construct for some countries. This is a 22 character code. Here GB is for country code UK. Next 2 digits represent check digits which ensures integrity of the code. Here NWBK is the bank identifier. Here National Westminster Bank. The remaining is the specific account number. Let's see one more IBAN code structure. This also is 22 character code. Here D country code for Germany, 89 check digits, 3700044 is the bank code and the remaining is the customer account number. Both SWIFT and IBAN are used for international transactions. Let's see how they are different. SWIFT is used worldwide. It was started in 1973. IBAN was started in 1997 to make the transfer of money easier among banks in European Union. But this is expanding fast, and as of July 2023, IBAN has 86 participants. SWIFT code is the identifier for the institution, but IBAN identifies the specific account number. SWIFT uses 8 or 11 characters fixed length code. IBAN uses up to 34 characters. The code has variable length. Countries like UK and Germany uses 22 characters for their IBAN, whereas France uses 27 characters and Brazil uses 29 characters. SWIFT is needed for transaction with countries other than that uses IBAN. IBAN is needed for transactions with the countries that is part of the IBAN system. What is the advantage in knowing these codes? If you get a 9-digit phone number for mobile in India, you will say there is a problem because the format is 10 digits. Like that, if you see an IFS code with anything other than 11 characters, you can say there is a problem. and you know the format. If the fifth character has anything other than digit 0, you know that there is a problem. Any deviation from the structure is a problem. Same is the case with SWIFT. For IBAN, you know that the code structure could vary based on national standards. If someone asks you for BIC, now you know it is same as SWIFT code. Hope this video has been useful. If you liked it, please share it. Our channel has a lot of useful contents. Please watch it. If you are not already subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe now. Hope to see you soon with another useful video. Take care.